Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Fantom price prediction and Fantom news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Fantom in 2022. Fantom is an open source and permissionless decentralized smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets, one of many blockchain networks created to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom mainnet blockchain was launched in December 2019, and its network architecture aims to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a stable balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. The Fantom Foundation was founded by South Korean computer scientist Dr. On Byung-ik. The current CEO of the platform is David Richardson, former managing director of Mid-Ocean Consulting. According to the official website, the Fantom team consists of engineers of various specializations, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Employees are scattered all over the world in accordance with the spirit of the distributed platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. The A to Z of what Fantom's investors are expecting from FTM's price action. Fantom, surprisingly, happened to be one of the weirdest anomalies of the crypto market last month. While the entire market depreciated in varying degrees, Fantom was busy breaking and making records. And the biggest enabler of the same was none other than the King coin. That, however, has now become a problem for Fantom. Fantom marked new at the surprise quotient here isn't that it hit a new all-time high. It is the fact that FTM managed to do it in a bear market. The same bear market which reduced Bitcoin down to $42K on the price charts. On 16 January, the altcoin closed at $3.31, just 20 cents above its previous at recorded in November 2021. Perhaps, the most significant factor that came into play here was FTM's negative correlation with Bitcoin. On 17 January, for instance, FTM had a negative 0.53 correlation. It went on to fall further towards a yearly low of minus 0.64 on 21 January. Over the next few days, alas, this correlation rose rapidly, and Fantom began falling. Depreciating by 53.53%, Fantom fell to $1.53. However, as the correlation once again touched minus 0.05 and the price began rising, the rising correlation, 0.37, became a problem. Right now, its effects are clearly visible on Fantom's price action. Thanks to political developments around the Russia-Ukraine conflict, global stock markets crashed. And so did the crypto market. While Bitcoin and most major altcoins dropped by over 10%, Fantom lost almost 17% of its value. Fantom's investors will have to wait as it will be a while before they find the opportunity to become active again. Especially since their on-chain behavior was significantly higher when prices were high. In fact, transaction volumes, which were at $440 million at their highest, have dropped to just around $31 million. Plus, since most FTM investors are mid-term holders, they will probably HODL for better opportunities, unlike Shiba Inu and Dogecoin holders who pump and dump around rallies. Looking at the price indicators, particularly the relative strength indexes plunge into the oversold zone and a rising bearishness on the MACD indicator, it is apparent that the price might continue to fall. Although Fantom has never been subject to prolonged lingering in this zone, it mostly looks like this will be the first time it slips below 30.0 on the RSI. As long as it stays above the critical support of $1.15, it will be able to revive itself, which is what the investors are currently hoping for. Next news about market wrap. Cryptos and stocks rise on possibility of Russia-Ukraine talks. Bitcoin, BTC, and other cryptocurrencies rose on Friday after Russia agreed to negotiate with Ukrainian officials. Vladimir Putin is ready to send to Minsk a Russian delegation, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov told reporters on Friday. Still, the situation was unstable, especially after Russian forces intensified attacks on Ukraine's capital in recent days. The Russian president later made comments suggesting that he was not serious about participating in talks. Meanwhile, global markets were in a state of flux, as investors tried to make sense of geopolitical moves. The S&P 500 stock index rose over 2%, while Russia's ruble ticked higher, albeit near its weakest level on record. In crypto markets, Bitcoin underperformed most alternative cryptocurrencies, altcoins, on Friday, suggesting a greater appetite for risk among investors. BTC was roughly flat over the past 24 hours, compared with a 5% gain in XRP, and a 10% rise in Terra's Luna token over the same period. Some investors expect the rebound in crypto prices to continue, because of the spike in volatility. Bitcoin's one-week implied volatility jumped to an annualized 75% on Thursday, topping the 1, 3 and 6-month gauges, similar to what occurred after the May 2021 crash. Further, Bitcoin's inverted volatility structure typically precedes price bottoms, according to CoinDesk's Omkar Godbol. Implied volatility refers to investors' expectations for price turbulence over a specific period. Volatility spikes can be short-lived, however, which could delay a significant upswing in BTC's spot price. These spikes in spot price would probably be met with aggressive spot selling, capping the top side. QCP Capital, a Singapore-based crypto trading firm, wrote in a Telegram announcement this week. Volume spikes similar to volatility. Bitcoin's trading volume across major exchanges reached the highest level since the December 5 price crash, according to CoinDesk data. Typically, high-volume sell-offs indicate capitulation, which could lead to short-term price jumps. Over the past 24 hours, the ratio of buy volume relative to sell volume was slightly higher, indicating bullish sentiment among traders, according to data compiled by CryptoQuant. Still, trading volume has trended lower over the past few months. Today we will discuss the Fantom price prediction for 2022-2025. Is Fantom, FTM, a good investment? Now we will analyze this. FTM rate prediction 2022. FTM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Fantom rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Fantom rate will be almost $2.21. The maximum bet we can get is $2.61. Fantom average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $2.28. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. FTM, Price Prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Fantom will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023 FTM is expected to peak at $3.94. The minimum bet could rise to $3.19 if the market turns bullish. Price Fantom Forecast 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Fantom could cross $5.52 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $4.76. FTM Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Fantom price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average FTM price will rise to around $7.20 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.32 with a minimum price level $6.96. And what does 2026 promise us? FTM can reach $12.03 by 2026 with significant collaboration with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $9.96 for 2026, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026.